What is the Bifrost Wallet? Bifrost Wallet is a secure and private non-custodial crypto wallet, available on both Android and iOS devices. Unlike a bank or a crypto exchange, which acts as a custodian for the assets you deposit, Bifrost Wallet is non-custodial and more like a digital keychain. You remain in possession and control of your assets at all times. Your keys, your crypto. This comes with both increased freedom and increased responsibility. You retain full control of your assets, but you are also solely responsible for backing up and restoring it in case of an emergency. The Bifrost Wallet allows you to send and receive many different crypto assets such as Ethereum, XRP, and Songbird. Here are just a few. After sending crypto assets to your wallet address, you will be able to monitor and manage them using Bifrost Wallet. A great feature of Bifrost Wallet is the in-app browser. This browser is what we call Web3 enabled and allows you to browse and interact with third-party applications like Uniswap, Compound, and Probity. Something unique to Bifrost Wallet is that it comes with extended native support for Songbird, including wrapping, unwrapping, and delegation. You can find any extra features in the context menu for each asset held, not just Songbird. If you need help with your Bifrost Wallet, you can find articles and a customer support chat at support.bifrostwallet.com.